Hello and welcome to Mini Course, your gateway to bite-sized learning. In this tutorial, I will introduce the thesis proposal format. While this structure may vary across schools, colleges, or universities, the underlying process remains constant. Join me as we explore the essential components that shape the format of your academic masterpiece. We assume you have the tentative working title of the study. Chapter 1. The problem and its setting. Introduction. Statement of the problem. Hypothesis of the study, optional. Scope and limitation of the study. Significance of the study. Notes. Chapter 2. The title is Theoretical Background. Included in this chapter are related literature, related studies, synthesis of the art, gaps to be bridged by the study, theoretical framework, conceptual framework, definition of terms. Notes. The third and final chapter is your roadmap for execution. Navigate through Chapter 3. Methodology. Included in this chapter are research design, sources of data, population or respondents of the study, research instrument, validation of the research instrument, data gathering procedures, statistical treatment. There you have it, the skeletal structure or format of a compelling thesis proposal. In our upcoming videos, we'll discuss each section, providing tips and insights to help you craft each element. Subscribe to stay updated on our thesis writing journey. Thank you for taking the time to learn with us in our mini course.